If you are sailing on NCL's Prima, here are my 5 tips for you. Number 1. When choosing a midship balcony stateroom, be mindful of where the slides are located on each side of the ship. Your view may be obstructed. Number 2. The Surfside Cafe is where you will find the ship's classic buffet. The seating is often filled quickly during peak times. To avoid this issue, consider eating in places like the Local and Hudson for set menus, or Indulge. Indulge Food Hall offers a different array of food choices like noodles, Indian, tapas, and barbecue. Number 3. If you are interested in the Speedway or the escape room, book a reservation when you first board. Complimentary activities include their dry and wet slides and the stadium. The stadium is located next to the Speedway and offers fun games like pickleball, ping pong, and beer pong, as well as some others. Prima tip number 4. The Metropolitan on Prima is NCL's first sustainable cocktail bar. This environmentally friendly bar offers drinks that are made from leftovers. Nothing is wasted. Give it a try. It's unique, tasty, and a great place to converse or just listen to some performers. And tip number 5, the Prima Theater has 3-deck seating where you can watch the show's Summer and The Price is Right. Make a reservation either 26 or 21 days before your sailing based on your latitude reward status and cabin category. They do offer standby options if you don't get a reservation or don't want to plan in advance, but due to limited seating, a standby waitlist is not guaranteed admission. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips and recommendations. Happy cruising!